In this video, I'm going to teach you how to record your iPhone screen while playing games. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The method that I'm going to showcase in this video will allow you to record the screen of your iPhone, including a microphone if you want to, and you can do it while playing games. You don't have to download any additional tools, so this option is going to be built into any iPhone model. What you have to do is use this screen recorder. This is going to be built into any iPhone or even an iPad, like I mentioned, and you will find it on the control center. So swipe down from the top and check to see if it is available on your control center. If it is not available, then you have to add it. You can either look for a plus sign at the top left corner of the screen, or you can head over into the settings. Then in here, look for the control center category under settings. And inside of the control center, you will be able to add new tools, including the screen recording tool that we have to use. So look for screen recording under the control center settings and make sure that it is added onto your control center. Now, if you swipe down from the top, it is going to be available here. If you tap it once, it is going to begin recording right away. However, if you press and hold on this button, then what it is going to do is to give you additional options regarding your microphone. So if you hold down on this button, you will get the option to enable or disable your microphone on the recording, and of course the option to start it. So make sure that you set your microphone if needed, so toggle it on or off by tapping and holding on the button, and then once you are satisfied, you can choose start recording. Or you can tap on this button once. Now you can resume whatever it is that you are doing. It is going to run on the background, and if you swipe down from the top, it is going to tell you that it is recording with the icon turning white and red. This indicates that a recording is in progress, so you can go ahead and play whichever game you want to. Once you are satisfied, swipe down from the top again and you will see the button like this. To end the recording, simply tap on it. Immediately upon tapping on this, it is going to stop, so it will go back to the standard view icon like this, and you will get this notification, screen recording video saved to photos. If you access your photos, you will find the recording that you just did. I hope I was able to help you on how to record your iPhone screen while playing games. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.